Hello, here we are. This is the curlew. Stone brushed curlew or something.
That's a wicked looking beak though.
It is.
That could do damage.
It's good for digging things out of the grass. It eats grubs.
Well, certainly not happy, is he? Or she, or...
Sounds not happy.